goddamn castle because of the Princess of Camelot over here.
I regret nothing!
Oh my! Fancy digs! My friends call me Christopher. We're gonna be BFFs.
Oh, the machine is working now. Oh. Yeah!
You can't do this to me! I'm Prince Axe Battledom, son of the king!
Shut up in there!
Yes, sir.
Oh, sunshine, rattlesnakes, and cookie pop. Oh. My boy, you finally come. Back together, you and I. Come here, love. Come here, my boy. My pretty little boy.
Well, hi. I don't think we've had the pleasure. My name is Axe.
Oh, my boy, come back to me. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Kid, you gotta wake up. Get me out of here, please.
Come here to me, love. Come here to me, little boy.
Kid!
Oi! What's going on in there? You know what happens to troublemakers in this jail, don't you?
What?
They get raped!
Battery recharge initiating. Please stand by.
Such pretty golden locks on you. Let us have a stroke, dearie.
Ah, you know what? Listen up, you old hag. Unless you want to feel a world of hurt, you better back off. Wake up, kid!
Charging 25% complete.
Don't worry, boy. Let us come over to you and make it all better.
You stay on your side. Guard!
Oi! Does somebody need to get raped in there?
No!
50% complete.
All right, you asked for it.
75% complete.
Here we are, my pretty.
I will teach you to cause trouble in my prison, little boy.
100% complete.
What's going on in here? Who put that hole there?
Ah!